Christmas ornaments bring life, color, and personality to your tree, transforming it into a centerpiece of joy during the festive season. While store-bought ornaments can be stunning, DIY ornaments carry a unique charm, often tied to special memories and personal creativity. Plus, crafting your own ornaments is an excellent way to bond with family and friends, all while creating something truly one of a kind. In today's video, we're diving into the magical world of DIY Christmas ornaments. Whether you're an experienced crafter or a beginner looking for inspiration, these ideas are sure to spark your creativity. From upcycled materials to simple crafting techniques, these ornaments will bring a unique sparkle to your holiday decor. Repurposing materials into ornaments not only saves money but also aligns with eco-friendly values. Start with items you might already have at home, such as old mason jar lids. These can be turned into rustic ornaments with just a bit of twine, paint, and a small sprig of faux greenery. Add a vintage charm by gluing a piece of lace or burlap onto the lids and painting a festive message, like Joy or Noel, over it. Another idea is to reuse fabric scraps or pieces of old clothing to create soft, patchwork-style ornaments. Sew or glue the fabric into shapes like stars, hearts, or miniature stockings, and embellish them with buttons, beads, or ribbons. These ornaments are not only charming but also sentimental, as they can be made from clothing with emotional significance, such as a child's old blanket or a loved one's shirt. Wine corks are another fantastic resource for DIY ornaments. You can create miniature reindeer by combining corks with small twigs for antlers, a red pom-pom for the nose, and googly eyes for an animated look. For a simpler option, paint the corks with festive designs, like candy canes or holly berries, and string them up for a rustic yet vibrant decoration. Tin cans or bottle caps can also be repurposed into unique ornaments. Punch a hole at the top for a hanging loop, then paint or decorate the surface with Christmas-themed stickers, glitter, or even magazine cutouts. These sustainable ornament ideas not only look beautiful but also reduce waste, making your holiday celebrations environmentally friendly. If these DIY Christmas ornament ideas sparked your creativity, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love adding a personal touch to their holiday decor. Adding a personal touch to your Christmas tree makes it feel extra special. Clear plastic or glass ball ornaments are perfect for customization. You can fill them with glitter, faux snow, or even small keepsakes like handwritten notes, dried flowers, or confetti. Add a few drops of essential oil to the filling for an ornament that doubles as a subtle diffuser, spreading a delightful fragrance throughout your home. For a family-focused tree, consider making photo ornaments. Use small wooden frames or cut cardstock into festive shapes like snowflakes or baubles. Attach your favorite family photos and finish the ornament with a metallic paint trim for an elegant look. Personalized ornaments like these transform your tree into a gallery of cherished memories and moments. Another fun idea is to create name ornaments for each family member. Use clay or salt dough to mold their names, bake them to harden, and decorate with paint and glitter. These can become a yearly tradition, with new ones added as your family grows or styles evolve. Handwritten messages also add a heartfelt touch to DIY ornaments. Write a wish, quote, or short story that reflects the holiday spirit onto a slip of paper, then roll it up and place it inside a clear ornament ball. The result is a beautiful decoration that holds the power to inspire or evoke fond memories each year it's displayed. Which ornament idea will you be crafting this year? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your favorite DIY projects for the holidays. For a rustic, nature-inspired look, turn to the great outdoors for your ornament supplies. Pine cones are a classic choice. Simply add a bit of white paint to the tips for a frosted effect, or glue on some glitter for extra sparkle. You can also attach small ribbons and beads to transform them into elegant hanging decorations. Dried orange slices are another stunning option for natural ornaments. String them together with cinnamon sticks or bay leaves for a garland effect, or hang them individually on your tree. The combination of the orange's vibrant color and the cinnamon's warm scent creates a visually and aromatically festive experience. Small twigs can also be tied together to form rustic stars, mini Christmas trees, or reindeer. Wrap the twigs with a thin ribbon or string lights for a touch of elegance. For an even more natural look, incorporate small clusters of cranberries or holly berries into the design. Pressed flowers or leaves can also serve as ornament materials. Seal them between sheets of clear laminate or transparent plastic, cut them into shapes, and add a hanging loop. These ornaments bring the beauty of nature indoors while maintaining a delicate and elegant appearance. For more holiday crafting ideas and festive inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Ornament making is a perfect activity to share with kids and family members. For a playful approach, try making ornaments using colorful craft foam or felt. Cut out shapes like gingerbread men, candy canes, or Christmas trees, and let everyone decorate them with sequins, googly eyes, or puff paint. These ornaments are lightweight, durable, and full of personality. Salt dough ornaments are another fantastic family-friendly project. Mix flour, salt, and water to form a dough, roll it out, and use cookie cutters to create shapes. Bake the ornaments until hard, then paint them with acrylic paints or decorate them with glitter glue. You can even add thumbprints or handprints for a personalized touch that captures a moment in time. Shrink plastic sheets offer endless customization opportunities. Draw your designs on the sheets, color them in, and bake them to shrink them into miniature, glossy decorations. From intricate snowflakes to whimsical animals, this technique allows everyone to create a design that reflects their unique style. Consider using popsicle sticks to make ornaments like sleds, stars, or geometric shapes. Paint and decorate them, and finish with a string for hanging. These simple yet creative ornaments can turn an afternoon of crafting into a festive, memory-filled experience for the whole family. Check out our DIY Christmas playlist for even more creative holiday ideas, from homemade ornaments to festive decorations for your entire home. Creating your own Christmas ornaments is a journey filled with imagination, warmth, and connection. Each piece tells its own story, carrying memories that can be cherished year after year. These handmade treasures bring a sense of authenticity and charm that no store-bought decoration can replicate. As your tree fills with these unique creations, it becomes more than just a holiday centerpiece, it becomes a reflection of the people and moments that make this season special. The time spent crafting, whether with family, friends, or on your own, is as meaningful as the final result. Every ornament holds a touch of the maker's heart, capturing the love and care poured into its creation. They remind us that Christmas is not just about decorations, but about celebrating the beauty of togetherness and creativity. These ornaments will brighten your holidays, not only with their designs, but with the stories they carry. Each one will spark conversations, evoke smiles, and inspire a sense of nostalgia for years to come. Want to get started on these DIY ornaments? Head to the description for links to all the supplies used, so you can craft your own personalized decorations. So, as you hang your handmade decorations, take a moment to appreciate their unique beauty and the joy they bring. Let your creativity shine through each piece, and allow these ornaments to be a testament to the love and spirit of the season. Each ornament becomes a chapter in your holiday story, adding depth and meaning to the season. They carry the laughter, focus, and sometimes even the hilarious crafting mishaps that make the process memorable. Over the years, these creations evolve into heirlooms, passed down as symbols of your family's Christmas traditions. Imagine the joy of unpacking these ornaments each year, rediscovering the memories they hold. They remind us that the holidays are about more than presents under the tree, they're about the time and thought we put into making the season magical for ourselves and those we love. Handmade ornaments also connect us to the spirit of sustainability, offering a way to reuse materials and minimize waste while crafting something truly special. They stand as small acts of love for the planet, ensuring that our celebrations don't come at a cost to the environment. These creations inspire others too. Guests and loved ones who see your ornaments may feel encouraged to embark on their own DIY holiday projects, spreading the spirit of creativity and individuality. In the end, your tree becomes a canvas, adorned with the art and effort of hands that poured their hearts into making the season brighter. This tradition of crafting allows us to step away from the rush of daily life, immersing ourselves in moments of joy, patience, and inspiration. Cherish these ornaments not just as decorations, but as markers of time, love, and the magic that makes Christmas unforgettable.